In this video, we are going to see how we can set the default audience for all of our posts. So let's say that we want all the posts to be seen just by friends. We want to keep them private, or we want to send them or share them with public or specific people. Here's how you can customize it for the default settings that is applicable for all of your posts. So all you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner on the profile icon, and you just click on the settings and privacy and click on settings. And from here, from the settings and privacy, we want to click on audience and visibility, and we click on the post and limit who can see your past post. And you can also set it who can see your future post. So let's say the future post should be shared with public or friends except the specific people, or the specific friends, or only me, and so on. So that will be your default settings. So let's say that I want to only share it with me. You can do that. Also, you can limit who can see your past post as well. So limit past post, you click on that and you can make that settings as well. But let's say I've changed it to only me. Let me just try to share some post. Click on the three dots and basically we share it from here. You want to click on share now, and let's head over to our profile to see if the changes are made or not. So like we click on view post and just now, and it is shared with only me. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.